Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The situation where the car failed to maintain a safe distance led to a loss of control, causing an accident that severely damaged the vehicle. The situation where the car was speeding and crossed into the lane of other vehicles led to a serious accident, causing significant damage.
Base cost, moderate manner.
This video was created for educational purposes and highlights the clear dangers of carelessness behind the wheel. Join us as we witness some incredible moments on the road, incidents that capture global attention with their sudden and often dramatic appearances. Along the way, you'll also learn valuable lessons for safe driving. Let's get it on. Adopt a defensive driving mindset by assuming that other drivers may not always follow. Bro makes steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. Slow down, everyone. Yielding to each other is a good idea. Trust me. Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly.
Nice left turn. Nice left turn. Nice left turn. No.
Caution at intersections. Oh my! Don't cross the street carelessly. Be careful. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously, because any time can be a hydroplane moment. Hey man, pay attention to brake lights and traffic flow ahead of you. Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders. Driving well and well is a risk not worth taking. Let's make smart choices, bro.
Afflicted monsters and cast a spell. Instead of his usual finishes, punition or verdict, he hit it with something different. Ability, Feast of Blood.
Oops, not sure if this was part of the driving test or just a new driver. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Know the classic case of who goes first. What do you think about this?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh.
Easy, 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 easy. Keep moving.
If conditions become too hazard, or if you're unsafe, falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve. It's a good thing everyone is fine. I hope he knows how serious it is. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Oh my, don't try to beat the red light man. I hope everyone is okay.
Okay, thank you.
This incident was simply a failure to maintain a safe distance. Fortunately, no one got hurt.
Big accident right here. Just happened.
Oh, wow. Smart. Thanks. Thanks. You say, boss. You're doing good. Just pass it. Pass it too quick.
No.
That is a prime example of overestimating one's driving skills. Driving on the road requires respect, not recklessness, to avoid serious accidents caused by losing control.
On it. Oh, there's a cop right behind us.
Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. You're not gonna get somewhere faster by running a red light, dude. Do not imitate this. If you don't want fines or even license suspensions, stay alert, guys.
I knew it was there, but I figured I could get closer to home and do it. Holy shit! Yo, I just caught an accident! Holy!
Oh my, yield to vehicles with the right of way and avoid making turns that violate these rules. Be more careful. No, never drive under the influence of alcohol or any substances that can impair your cognitive functions. Never do that if you don't want your driver's license revoked. Guys, slow down as you approach intersections, especially if you're uncertain about the traffic flow or visibility is limited. Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Be careful, folks, okay? Better to lose a second of your life than to lose your life in a second. Never run a red light, folks. That's why you need to be humble when driving. Before you do this, don't imitate others. For me, incidents are inevitably the result of exceeding the speed limit and overcompetes. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Oh dear, you need to make sure you have enough space to make that turn. He would have seen the big red tread. Don't try to beat it, mate.
Thankfully, it was a fire that was quickly extinguished thanks to the swift and courageous response of the Atlanta Fire Department.
Look over your shoulder,
And
man.
once the area was
This is the
secured,
reason why
investigators
rearview
from a
mirrors
number of
were
different
invented.
agencies began-
Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Well, minimize the use of brakes within the curve. Hard braking during a curve can lead to loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the curve. Oh, don't drive while distracted. Always stay focused when driving.
Wreck out, roll over, set at 1016.
Oh my, it looks like that car is fleeing from the police. Don't ever do that.
And dearest watches I have.
From PBS NewsHour, Student Reporting Labs, this is Sabrina Turner.
Everyone be vigilant and observant for your surroundings, especially when approaching intersections, alleys, or side streets. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it.
Scam it, he deserves it. Or you just have someone that's straight racist that's watching this. Oh, there's always standard. They're all boys, and then they just reinforce their own biases.
Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go. Without overcorrecting, avoid slamming in the brakes, as this can worsen the slide, and everyone is alive.
So this is smart to break on this. Oh, that sucks. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.